You know, I wrote Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook many years. That writing has continued to inspire me to explore new ways of using my toaster oven. And keeping with my exploration, I just did a video on sunny side up eggs. Check it out. And today I'm going to do an omelet in my toaster oven. This is just a regular cake pan. I'm adding probably 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil. I'm spreading it around the pan. Now I'm adding 2 beaten eggs, and I've added a little pinch of salt to this mixture. Some freshly ground pepper, a sprinkling of chives from my garden, and some sprinklings of Parmesan Romano shredded cheese. Popping the pan into the toaster oven. I'm going to do 1 toast setting. Now my toast setting is, I think, about 4 minutes, and this is almost done. What I'm going to do is have a toast setting, like 2 minutes more, and the omelet should be perfect. This was a total of about 6 minutes on the toast setting, which employs both the top and bottom elements in the toaster oven, and the omelet is perfect. Now I'm just going to loosen the omelet from the pan with a spatula. I simply just turned the omelet out onto a plate. I'm going to add just a little more fresh ground pepper, another little sprinkling of Parmesan Romano cheese, perfectly done. Why stand over a stove to make an omelet when you can make the perfect omelet in your toaster oven? Over 250 wonderful recipes in my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook, which you can online at your favorite bookstore or check it out at the library. What do you want to add to your omelet? Mushrooms? Ham? There's no end to the possibilities.